Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. This is my tech space, your ultimate guide for all your tech related issues. Today we are going to talk about Clubhouse in this video. Once you create a Clubhouse account, you will receive 2 invitations that you can share with your contacts to invite them to join the app. You will earn more invitations as you host rooms and participate in chats. Some of us might not receive any invitations. If the same is the case with you, there is nothing to worry about. If you have just joined the app, you might be wondering how to send an invite to one of your friends. Here we will demystify you the entire process on how to invite someone to join Clubhouse. Tap on the envelope icon at the top of the screen. This will redirect you to the invite screen. In the search bar that appears, enter the contact name of the person you want to invite to Clubhouse. Or you can just scroll down and choose the friends you want to invite. Hit the invite button next to their name. You can choose where you want to send your friends a Clubhouse invite, that is Messenger, Messages, or some other apps. Another window will pop up where you can enter a personalized message that will come with the invite. So that is it. Now you are all set up to use Clubhouse app and you can start to follow and invite others to use it with you. I hope the video was helpful to you. For more technical and informative videos, please go ahead and like, comment and subscribe to my tech space. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.